Hello and welcome to What's Your Hobby? Today's topic is DIY handicraft coaster making. Today we are going to learn how to make coasters using candy sticks. You will need some candy sticks, glue and paint. We will arrange the candy sticks next to each other. You will need approximately 11 candy sticks. Let's arrange them neatly next to each other. I have arranged 9 candy sticks next to each other. Now let's apply glue on the remaining 2 candy sticks. I will share one trick on how to glue all of this very quickly. So you see, apply some Fevicol and let it sit for some time. Once it's semi-dry, it will stick quickly, holding up all the sticks in place. Well, since I did not allow the Fevicol to semi-dry, it will take some time to dry. Now let's check the candy sticks, and yes, they have dried and are in place. You can also leave them to dry overnight. I will show you a very easy method of drawing designs with markers. I have a thin and a thick marker. So let's start drawing designs with the marker. I'm using a scale to draw a straight line. You can draw any type of designs. It's pretty easy to draw with the markers. If you're not sure what to draw, then you can first practice drawing designs on a sheet of paper. Well, these candy sticks are not of a very good quality, so the color is spreading, and we will draw very thin and go over the lines later for correction. I'm drawing a flower and will draw some more elements to compose a design. I'm giving a touch up to the lines, adding details inside the designs. Don't forget to use good quality candy sticks and get creative with your designs. Hey guys, don't forget to watch the next video on Candy Stick Coaster Part 2.